Hey there, welcome back to PMN Online. Today I will walk you through how to copy a file and keep comments in Google Drive. Have you ever found yourself needing to make a duplicate of a Google Drive file, but worried about losing all the valuable comments and feedback that come with it? Whether you're working on a collaborative Google Doc, a detailed spreadsheet, or a creative slide presentation, keeping those comments and suggestions intact is crucial. These annotations not only provide context, but also help maintain the collaborative spirit of your project. So, in this video, we're going to explore the simple yet effective method to duplicate a file while preserving all the comments. And we'll also discuss some important limitations you should be aware of. Let's kick things off by exploring how you can effortlessly duplicate a file in Google Drive without losing any comments, assuming you're working with Google's native formats like Docs, Sheets, or Slides. This process is thankfully straightforward due to a feature built right into Google's interface. Start by opening the file you wish to copy. Once you've got that open, navigate to the menu bar at the top of your page and click on the File option. This will trigger a drop-down menu. From this menu, you need to select the option labeled Make a Copy. Upon clicking it, a new dialog box will appear on your screen. Here's where the magic happens. In this dialog box, there is a very important checkbox labeled Copy Comments and Suggestions. Make sure to tick this box. It's like telling Google Drive, yes, I want all the comments and suggestions to hitch a ride to the new file. After that, choose the destination folder where you want your new file to reside. You can also give your copied file a fresh name before hitting the OK button. And just like that, your newly minted file will open, complete with all the original comments and suggestions intact. It's a seamless way to ensure that nothing valuable is left behind. Now, while this method is wonderfully effective for Google's native formats, there are some limitations to be aware of. This feature works exclusively with Docs, Sheets, and Slides. So, if you're dealing with other file types, like a PDF or a Microsoft Word document, and you try to make a copy, unfortunately, the comments won't transfer to the new file. Additionally, if you're using Google Apps Script or API to automate the copy process, keep in mind that comments won't be included by default. If you're automating your workflow, you might need to manually intervene to ensure comments are preserved if you're not using Google's built-in interface. There you have it. A simple way to maintain all the important discussions in your Google Drive documents when making duplicates. Remember, while this method is smooth and efficient for Google native files, it's important to be mindful of these few limitations. Doing so will help you keep all parts of your collaborative efforts intact, ensuring nothing important is lost. This makes document management much more efficient and stress-free. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to copy a file and keep comments in Google Drive. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online so you never miss an update.